Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We are going to be doing a live webinar showing how the SpyBot Sniper auto trading bot is making me thousands daily, and it's doing it untouched. Very simple rules to follow with it. You can make more if you change the stop loss and take profit around a little bit, but yesterday was $8,000. Day before that, I mean, it just a lot of money coming in off of just running the bot. A lot of people in our group is doing very well with it. It just works great. I've been running it for a few weeks now and haven't had a losing day yet. It's had money every day. Started off trading one mini and just looking for $500, and now I'm trading 4 contracts and just kept on working it up. And that's the way you want to start off. You want to start off maybe micros. I've had one person that made $500 on 2 micros 2 days ago. He made $500 yesterday as well, just trading 2 micros, running the SpyBot Sniper. It works very well. You can run on micros, minis. When you first start off, you trade it on sim just to make sure you're doing things right, and then you go to your live account. How you get there is you go to spymoneylse.com and you scroll down, put in your first name, last name, email, subscribe, and then you will get a link when I do the webinars. So I'll be sending out a link today around 11 o'clock, maybe 11:30 Eastern time. That way you can get signed in. You'll have to, once you get that link, then you will check your email and opt in, and then you will get those emails from that point on. Once you get the link for the webinar, you'll have to sign into the webinar and just watch, and I'll show you how it works. How we set it up in the back end of the bot, how we turn it on, all that. It's very simple to do. I have a lot of questions that people are kind of intimidated by using the Spy Money platform, which is a white label of Quantower, and it works. It's actually pretty simple. It's a very easy platform to use. I'm gonna make some videos and post those on YouTube so that people can see how easy it is to get around and use. It's a lot like using TradingView. It's set up basically the same. It works really well. The indicators and everything are simple. Trading on it's very simple. It is very accurate. There's no freeze ups. It just works, and it works out real well. If you know that you want to go ahead and get started, you just go over here to the lease program. Once you click on the lease program, it's going to open up. The first month is $1,000. That allows you to put some money in a trading account, $300 in there, so you can trade some micros. Then after that, it is $1,300 a month, and the bot does very well. You can't just like turn it on and go to work, but you can turn it on while you're there, or maybe you're cooking or whatever you're doing, and let it run, and then just monitor it. You don't ever want to run a bot unattended. You want to make sure that you're there with it in case something happens. It is technology, so things, internet connection could go down, your computer, whatever, so you always want to be around. And the way you get started, come down here. We have the coaster bot, the sniper bot. We also have the snatcher bot now. I need to update this. And I'll talk a little bit about the snatcher tonight. You have all these indicators plus some more, and I've got a description of what we use mainly to trade with. We have frequently asked questions here. Read through those. It'll answer most of your questions. If not, send me a contact on the contact us page, and I will answer them best I can. The way you get started is you need to read through these 14 items. If you agree to them, then you want to copy these, and then you come up to the contact us at the top. When you click on that, you're going to paste in that information, put in your first name, last name, email, phone number, paste this in, and then send it to me. That lets me know that you understand these 14 items. It's very important that we start off the relationship knowing what to expect. And I like to do that. That way there's no surprises on anybody. Let me know if I can help you in any way whatsoever. Again, get started on the public webinar. You have to do this right here to sign up for the webinar. Once you do this, you only have to do it one time, unless you change your email or whichever. But you do this one time and you will get the links to the public webinars unless you opt out. You guys have a great day, and I will see you at noon today Eastern Time.